Next questions. Ahmad deposited 25,000. Is this 25,000? Yes. Into an account that paid interest rate 3% compounded quarterly. After 5 years, he had withdrawn 9,029 ringgit and 60 cent and keep the balance for 2 years. Find the amount in the account 2 years after the withdrew. Okay. Draw a timeline. Okay. Deposited 25,000. P equals to 25,000 into an account that paid interest rate 3%. Okay, so the J is 0.03. Compounded quarterly, M dia 4. Okay. After 5 years, okay, after 5 years, he had withdrawn, okay, withdrawn berapa 9,029 ringgit and 60 cent and keep the balance for 2 years. So 7 lah kat situ. Okay. Find the amount in the account 2 years after the withdrew. Okay. What happened to the 25,000 for the first 5 years? What happened? Apa jadi pada duit ni? Duduk dalam account mestilah dapat compound amount selama berapa tahun? T dia 5. N dia berapa? T5 darab dengan 4. N dia 20. Okey. Cari dulu S. Okay, let us find the S first. Okay, let us find the S first. Okay, S kita guna formula P1 plus I power N. P kita 25,000. 1 plus I. Apa tak I dia? 0.03 divide with 4. Power with, where is our N? 20. Okay, alright. So what is the value? 25,000. 1 plus 0.03 divide with 4. Power with 20. Nanti dapat berapa? 29,000. 29 ringgit and 60 cent. Okay, so what happened then after 5 years? He had withdrawn 9,029 ringgit and 60 cent. Withdraw. Apa maksud withdraw? Bawa keluar duit. Bawa keluar duit maknanya kena tolak lah. Tolak. Okay. Katalah tadi tu S1. I put as S1 lah. Okay, S1. So, bila tolakkan, katalah S2. Carikan S2. Tolak. Dapat 20. 20 berapa? S1 tolak dengan 9,029 ringgit and 60 cent. Dapat berapa? 20,000. Okay. Tolakkan nanti dapat 20,000. Okay. What happened the 20,000 for 2 years? Apa jadi pada duit 20,000 ni selama 2 tahun? Apa jadi pada duit tu? Kena compound lagi. Okay? Kena compound. Berapa lama kena compound? 3 tahun. 3 tahun. Kenapa? Berapa tahun je? 2. 7 tolak 5, 2. Okay? 2 darab dengan 4 dapat berapa? 8. Itu kita punya N. Okay? So, nak cari jumlah seterusnya, kena compound formula yang sama. P2, 20,000 ni akan jadi P untuk S3. Okey, 20,000. 1 tambah 0.03 per 4 kuasa berapa? 8. Kuasa 8. Dapat berapa? Okey. 20,000 kuasa 8. 21. Is it 21? Yes. 21,231 ringgit and 70 what? 78 or 77? 97, sorry. 98 or 97 cent? 98 cents. Okay. Tu je ke dia tanya? Yup, that's all. Okay.